Ooh!
Fancy. I won't drink it. It will never get drank. That's from a year ago. Yeah, it's a pop of champagne. What's up? Holiday goes away.
Listen.
Yeah. So she used to do it in college too.
This is my jinglings, and Kristen's like, long, 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 long.
Mine are like the cathedral bells, like Quasimodo bells. Boom, 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 boom. I got bells, don't worry about it. Cheers! Happy holidays! Let's sing sleigh bells.
Yeah, there's not a harder Christmas song, and we've had mimosas, so let's give it a shot.
Well, I think...
Santa, say something dirty.
Yeah, hey Santa, what's up? Quit it, Santa, you dirty man. Shut up, I'm buzzed, man. I've had so much champagne.
Hello, it's the North Pole calling. They want us to sing a holiday song.
They do.
We'll get right on that. Just hear the sleigh bells ringling, jing, jing, jingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for mimosas together with you. Outside the kids are fighting and the husband has the flu. The in-laws showed up early and my mother got a tattoo.
It's on her boob.
Buckle up, put on shoes, hurry up, we're late. Just get in the sleigh. I've noticed a significant weight gain. Hurry up, hustle in, don't cry, just grin. I'm switching to gin.
I'm hanging on a thread of twinkling Christmas lights.
I'm hiding in my car, wishing we could hop a flight. We go to Bora Bora, just us, no family in tow. We give each other back rubs, and that's the furthest it go. I mean it this time. No.
Our
cheeks
are nice and rosy and comfy. That's the real song.
Yeah, hold on. Our cheeks are nice and rosy because we both hit the sauce. Without our friendship, girl, I'd be totally lost.
Oh, I just
You
spit
spit
on
on me.
myself.
Look
Oh,
at you.
gross.
There's a clearance sale on decorations at Target. It'll be the perfect ending to a crappy day. We'll be singing the songs we love to sing with no one yelling stop by the fireplace, and we'll hear the champagne pop, 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 pop.
You're like Celine Dion.
Thank you. We'll be singing the songs that Pixar drills inside our brains. We'll accommodate your tantrums like it's not a pain. Like a magazine shoot on Christmas Day with Joanna and Chip. Just kidding, everyone's crying. This holiday's gone to shit. This holiday's gone to shit. Just hear the sleigh bells jingling, jing, jing, jingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for mimosas together with you, with you, with you. With you and you and you and you and you.
Because you know what? Ain't nobody giving you a break, and we're going to give you one right now, served up on a platter.
That's right.
You take a break, and you don't need to buy anybody any presents. They have too much to spoil rotten. You've done too much. Go Amazon cart yourself.
I think we're done.
Yay!